In this video, I'm gonna show you two different options for super fast weed control. And I wanna actually see, can we kill a weed within 24 hours? Maybe less than 24 hours, I don't know. But we're gonna try. I'm gonna show you two different products depending on what you're exactly going for. So the first one is, you might have seen all these homemade weed killer videos and stuff. I've done some of those. This came off Amazon, Green Gobbler 20% weed killer. I'll put a link in the description for this. So this is gonna be a vinegar-based weed killer. Now, one of the things sometimes when people use vinegar-based weed killers and stuff like that, or they may take dish soap and salt and vinegar, and it works. It does kill the weed. Now, let me just say this. That is not something you want to go out there and spray on your own yard. That is not a good idea. So I'm spraying it on a gravel area where I don't want anything to grow. The vinegar is not going to be good for your soil, and salt would probably be even worse, okay? So do not spray this in your yard to go out there and kill stuff. Now, if it's just vinegar, maybe it burns it up a little bit and it comes back. But in the general sense, put this in areas where you don't want anything to grow. So I'm going to spray this. And then the other one, we're going to use a more traditional weed control. And I know a lot of people use this because they don't want to use chemicals on the lawn, things like that. So I'm using glyphosate, which is the active ingredient found in Roundup. And I want to make a comparison on how well this works versus how well the glyphosate. Again, both situations, not wanting to spray it out in the yard. I'm spraying in some gravel where I don't want anything to grow. Now, neither one of these is going to keep stuff from coming back long term, okay? So we might kill the weed, and I get people, they say, oh, Jason, you just damaged, burned it, it's going to come right back. I disagree with that most of the time, but it's not going to keep future weeds from coming back, okay? So you got to understand that. Next week, a new weed might pop up in the same spot and grow back exactly where that one was, okay? So you got to understand how weeds work, and I deal with weeds on a virtually daily basis. All right, we're gonna spray this. We're gonna spray the glyphosate. I got two different weeds I want to spray with this, and we're gonna check on it and see, can we kill a weed in 24 hours? We're gonna find out. All right, first up, the Green Gobbler, and this is like a morning glory vine. Okay, that's what we're spraying today. And you can see it's kind of wrapped itself around. Actually, looks like there's two of them here. Now I'm gonna try to make sure I get good coverage over the whole plant. That is something with this, you wanna get good coverage. You don't want to spray just a little bit or spray around. I wanna make sure I'm covering the leaves. And we may hit a few of these other weeds here in the area. All right, Green Gobbler, here we go. And yes, you can smell the vinegar. All right, I've got another big broadleaf weed right here in a gravel spot. So I'm gonna try it as well so we can have two different weeds going at the same time. Again, I wanna get good coverage. That should be plenty. Now the second weed, I'm gonna spray with a traditional glyphosate product, 41% glyphosate, which again is the active ingredient often found in Roundup. We're gonna spray and then we'll compare the results. Same type weed. Now the weather's warm today. I got out here early in the morning, but it's gonna be a hot day, which is gonna make this work faster. If you did this in cooler weather, it's gonna be slower. All we gotta do is check back on the results and see what happens. It's been about 5 hours. Let's check on and see what's going on so far. We'll start with that weed. And it's had better days. Look at that. And even this other weed that was kind of creeping over there in the area, like I got some on it, it kind of traveled up the vine and didn't kill it, but it's looking bad. But man, that's incredible for such a short period of time. Let's go check on the other weeds. All right, again, this is a 5-hour checkup. We're gonna give it more time. But this is the one that was sprayed with the vinegar. You can see that one's still quite green there. But some of the other leaves are really looking bad. Withered up. Just kind of giving you an overview here, what it looks like. We're gonna wait till tomorrow morning, which will be the 24-hour mark. Even that piece of grass right there just kind of withered it up. Little weed right there. You can see that. These weeds. What about the one that was sprayed? Check on the one with the glyphosate. I wasn't really expecting it to be as fast. I mean, it's gonna work. I don't have any doubt about that, but I'm just curious to see how it'll look after 24 hours. Not a whole lot of noticeable damage so far. Let's give it a little bit more time, we'll check back. We're about 11 hours in. Let's see what the weeds are looking like. Here's the ones that we sprayed with the green gob. Here's the ones we sprayed with the vinegar. You can see that grass, just a little bit of green there where I might not have got great coverage. Same on this. I'm wondering if I didn't cover that leaf very well, because the leaves that I covered well, looks like just burn them up. So we'll see. We're gonna give it till tomorrow morning and see what it looks like and wrap it up. 24-hour weed control. You can see what it did to this weed there. Now let's check on the other one as well as, well, here's the one that we sprayed with glyphosate. So it's gonna, probably 3 or 4 days from now, it's just gonna wither up and die. But I don't know if it's gonna meet the 24-hour window that we're trying to meet here. When you come over here and you see this weed, I mean, look what happened to that one. It just zapped that one. Again, this is after 11 hours. We'll check back in the morning, see what the final results are. All right, we're just about to 24 hours. Let's check on the results. First, the one we sprayed with the vinegar. Again, I think I just didn't get good enough coverage on some of these, but you can see what it did to this weed here. You see the grassy weed. So the key with this seems like you gotta have very good coverage, and we're gonna check on the other weed we sprayed with that. And you can see what it did to this. I mean, I don't think that weed's coming back. I know sometimes people say, oh, it's gonna grow back. I don't think that one's growing back, just to be honest with you. So very good results on that. And here's the one we sprayed with the glyphosate. Not a whole lot going on, honestly. So the only other thing I want to do in this video, I do want to give it a few days because I want to see what happens to the one I sprayed with glyphosate. I'm pretty sure it's going to die. I just want to know, is it going to take 3 days, 5 days, whatever. So let's just go a little bit further, see how that works out. We'll see if there anything changes with the other weed. I don't think that it is, to be honest with you. But we'll check on that and then wrap up the video. It's been about 3.5 days, and this is the one that was sprayed with the glyphosate. We're finally starting to see it deteriorate. I want to check on this one more time and just basically to see how many days does it take for the Roundup to kill it. So far, about 3.5 days, starting to see some stuff happen. My guess is a few more days and it'll look really brown. All right, it's been about a week, so I want to give the final checkup here and show you what the glyphosate did to the weeds, and we'll just make one little final checkup on the other weeds that we sprayed with the vinegar weed killer. All right, first up, the glyphosate, a little bit slower, but you can see it is finally starting to take its toll, and I expect that weed to continue to turn brown and to die. So a little bit slower, but definitely does the job. Now the vinegar was super fast, but you can see on this particular weed, and this is interesting what you need to see about this one. If you don't kill it, which we didn't kill this one, we burned it up, but look what's happening. It's already putting out some fresh little green leaves right there. So this plant's actually gonna recover and survive. Even this grassy weed started bouncing back. So it's not true what people say sometimes. They're like, oh, it didn't kill the roots, it's gonna bounce back. Well, sometimes that's true, sometimes not. In this situation, it was true. It didn't kill it. Other situations, it does kill it. As for this weed, I think it killed it. I don't think that thing's coming back ever. So that's the results. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you haven't done so. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.